What is fuel for the soul? Some things can speak to us without saying a word and evoke feelings that lie beyond the reach of human language. If you've ever watched the sunrise in the mountains, felt the ground shake after a thunder, or were put to sleep by the soundless waltz of 5,000 gleaming stars, you'll know our world is full of wonders, which by the virtue of their fundamental beauty will forever elude any attempt a man can make to do them justice with ink. And yet, we try. Poems, novels, songs, paintings, and even religions have praised nature since the day we've learned to articulate our thoughts and emotions. And today we continue our efforts with the aid of cameras, recorders, and drones. While it's easy to visit Instagram, buy a copy of National Geographic, or turn on the Discovery Channel and revel in a lifetime's worth of sublime photography and stunning footage of our planet, written word injects our hearts with that quaint romance of the time long past and a sense of connection with the many generations that knew no other way to express their passions. What is fuel for the soul? Nature is.